In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a standard tax rate fast and easy. This quick and straightforward process will ensure your WooCommerce store is set up correctly for taxing needs, ensuring compliance and a smooth checkout experience for your customers. To get started, the first step is to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Logging in will bring you to your site's main administration panel. Here, you have access to all the functionalities needed to manage and customize your website. Once you're in the dashboard, your next task is to find and click on WooCommerce, which is typically located in the menu on the left-hand side. WooCommerce is your go-to for managing everything e-commerce on your site, including products, orders, and settings. After you've clicked on WooCommerce, the next step is to access its settings by clicking on Settings. The Settings page is where you can control everything from general store information to the various options that define how your store functions. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Tax tab and click on it. This tab is where you configure all your tax-related settings, which is crucial for correctly calculating the taxes on goods and services sold through your store. Within the tax settings, you're going to look for the shipping tax class. Once found, give it a click. Here you can specify how tax is applied to shipping, which is often overlooked, but a necessary step for an accurate tax setup. Now locate the option for Standard and select it. By choosing the standard tax rate, you are opting for the default tax structure that typically applies to most goods and services sold. This is the most common option used by businesses and will likely fit your needs, unless you have specific tax requirements. With your standard tax rate selected, there's just one last thing to do. You'll need to save your changes. There should be a Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will ensure that all your adjustments take effect, updating your store's tax settings accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a standard tax rate to your WooCommerce store. Making these adjustments helps keep your e-commerce platform running smoothly, ensures compliance, and enhances the overall shopping experience for your customers by providing accurate pricing. Thank you for following along with this guide today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like or leave a comment with any questions you may have. Stay tuned for more quick and easy guides to help optimize your online business.